So now, let's see how we can work around with the radial blur effect inside of CorelDRAW. So in order to go ahead and work around with the radial blur effect, you need to go around onto the file menu and then import out an image that you want to apply the radial blur to. So I'm just going to go around over here and then let's say for example select a particular image right here. So let's just go around and select this particular image that I have, and now in order to go ahead and apply the radial blur effect to this, I'm going to go around onto the effects menu right here and then go around onto blur, and here you can see that radial blur is an option. So once you go ahead and do that, you can see that it takes the center point right here just like this and adds in a radial blur right from around this center point that you have right here. So if I were to change around the amount, you can see that it takes the center point right there and changes around the amount of radial blur right here. You can really go around and change the amount out to high or low according to how you want right here, just like this. And that is how you can go ahead and then work around with the radial blur effect inside of CorelDRAW. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.